Hello, my name is Mary Carney.
And I'm Colleen Testrake, and we're the school-wide specialists at Pfeiffer-Burleigh. What we're going to do today is we're going to share with you some of the Title I information for Pfeiffer-Burleigh School. So we have a PowerPoint for you. Let me screen share. First of all, we want to tell you what Title I is. Title I provides financial assistance to schools with high percentages of children from low-income families to help ensure all children meet the challenging state academic standards. How does the Title I program work at Pfeiffer-Burleigh? Well, basically, we use our funds for extra support and instruction in iReady and in math, and in iReady and in reading, as well as special preschool, after school, and summer school programs. We also have family engagement events throughout the school year. What are your rights as a Title I parent? Your right is that every teacher at Pfeiffer-Burleigh School is Pennsylvania certified. You can ask for the teacher's qualifications. This also applies to the paraprofessionals working with your child. You will be notified if your child's teacher is not PA certified in a core subject. That is, if they're not certified in teaching your child for more than 4 weeks. Our Title I funding, we have program funds, which goes for supplies and interventions for students. And we also have family engagement funds, and those go towards the fun family engagement events and activities that we have throughout the school year. We are a community school, as most of you are well aware. We have Mrs. Megan Easter as our community school director. She's very involved with all the parents. Our corporate partner is Erie Insurance, and our lead partner is Family Services. You can find us on Facebook. If you like and follow us, you will be notified of all kinds of events coming up at our school. Now I want to talk a little bit about the school plan. Every school in the district has a school plan. Ours is updated yearly, and it's on the school website. The district strategic plan is located on the school district website also. End of year surveys. Every year in the spring, we send surveys home. The survey basically tells us more about what your wants and needs are. Due to COVID, we did not send a survey home last spring, but we will be sending you one out shortly. So be sure to be on the lookout for that. Basically, it gauges the effectiveness of the parental involvement activities, and it addresses your needs. The parent engagement policy is changed every year. We have a meeting just like this, but in person, and we talk to all of our families, and we basically try and meet your needs. We love to have your input about the parent engagement policy. Because studies show that families and parents who are involved in their children's education, the child succeeds. Let me show you really quickly our family engagement policy. Here it is right here. Basically, what it does is it tells you all about parent conferences. It tells you how to reach your child's teacher, different kinds of supports that your child could have. And there's also a compact right here. And basically it's a promise that the teacher makes, the child makes, and you, the parent, make about how we can help the child succeed in school academically. Get out of here.
So you can locate our parental involvement policy and our compact on our school district website. If you go under Pfeiffer-Burleigh, you can locate it on there and you can look at it. If you want to review it and look over it, if you have any questions or concerns, you can email either ctestrake@eriesd.org or mcarney@eriesd.org with any of your questions or concerns, and we will gladly get back to you. We follow the PA state standards at Pfeiffer-Burleigh, and basically all of our curriculum is aligned to address these grade-specific standards so that we make sure that our students are learning everything that they need to. If you're interested in monitoring your child's progress, you are able to monitor your child's progress through Infinite Campus. We have a parent portal. If you do not know your login to get onto Infinite Campus, you can send an email to measter@eriesd.org, and she will get the information for you. You can also access the teacher's email directory and email teachers from the school district's website. If you go to Pfeiffer-Burleigh School, you can click on teachers and you can find any one of the teachers' emails there. And our parent conferences will be held virtually, and we will be contacting you about them as well. So our English language arts and our math curriculum are standards aligned, and we follow the Common Core Language Arts program, which is CKLA, and our math curriculum is ready. And we also have an online component called iReady that goes along with that. Parent participation. Parents are provided full opportunities to participate in all meetings for all students. So if there's an IEP meeting for your child, or if there's a student assistant meeting, you are invited to attend all meetings concerning your child, and we welcome parents to attend all meetings. Due to COVID, currently meetings may be virtual, and you can participate that way until restrictions are lifted. Parents as partners. So we normally have lots of events at Pfeiffer-Burleigh, family engagement events, and we do the Fall Fest, but right now, because of COVID and online instruction, our events may be held virtually until restrictions are lifted. So be sure to check Facebook or our school website for any updates. And our all-call system also relays important information, so you'll get messages from there as well. We value our parents at Pfeiffer-Burleigh, so if you have any professional development ideas that you think would be of benefit to our teachers, you can also email ctestrake@eriesd.org or myself, mcarney@eriesd.org, with any of your suggestions. Okay, now we have a parent resource room. It's located in the main office. Normally families would be welcome to stop in, but due to COVID, it's not accessible at this time. So any information parents need can be sent home through paper mail or electronically, and we will be glad to help. So if there's something that you need, you can let us know, and we'll make sure you get you the information that you need. And finally, we'd like to say thank you so much for all your hard work and for being great parents and being involved in your child's education.
Thank you so much.